Good morning, everyone. This is Aaron. Welcome back to another video. Today, I wanted to show you a cool trick that you can do with Excel and EPM REST APIs. Now, the credit goes to Omar. I found the post in LinkedIn, and I thought I would make a video about it. So here's Omar's LinkedIn post talking about Excel and EPM Cloud REST APIs, and kudos to him for finding this. So you could use EPM REST APIs to extract data and view that in Excel. I tried it with the listFiles REST APIs and also Substitution Variables REST APIs. And I'll show you both today. Once again, shout out to Omar for finding this. All right, so I'm in Excel. All right, once you open Excel, go to the Data tab, click on Data from Web, and paste your REST API endpoint. So what I'm using is this URL. So this is the URL to my EPM instance, and the rest of it is the REST API endpoint to get the list of files from the EPM instance. So that's what I have here, and click on OK. So if you're doing this for the first time, it's going to ask you for your username and password. And your username is your domain name dot your username, and password is obviously your password. So in my case, if I was doing it for the first time, it would be something like this. Raj. This will be my username, and keep in mind this is important. This is your domain name dot and then your username. Okay. So once you enter that information, it's gonna, this is the data that we're getting back from the REST API. Now focus on the items element. So click on list and you'll see the records. These are all the records that we got from the EPM instance. Now, while that is selected, click on table to table, convert to table. And you don't have to worry about all these things. Just click OK. And you can see there's an option to get to more details of each of the record. So click on that, and you can see these are the different fields that we have for each of the files. Now you can have all these, so click on OK. So it's going to show you the last modified time, the name of the file, the type of the file, and the size. All right. So let's close and load. And you can see that you have the list of files from the EPM instance right here in Excel file. Now you can search for it. I guess you can filter and you can look at the column size, the last modified. So that's how you can get the list of files from EPM just using the EPM REST API and Excel file. Now you can always refresh to get the latest data. Refresh all. Okay. All right. So going back to the next example. So in this example, I wanted to get list of substitution variables from EPM. Again, I'm using this REST API endpoint and click on data from web. And I'm going to do this. All right. Click on OK. Now here, I'm going to do, this is how you can enter your username and password. So my domain is btepm.myusername. And the password. So I'm going to type in the password. And I'll change it. Doesn't really matter. So you can click on connect. And you should get this back, right? So again, you have the JSON, so it's converting the data that we received from REST API into JSON, and you can see it here. And we're again going to look at the items record, list of records. So click on list, and you'll see the list. Again, click on table to convert to table. Don't worry about this. Then click on the expand option, and you can see the plan type, name, and value. Those are the three different values we are getting from the REST API. Click on OK. And you can see that we have the plan type and the column name and the column value. So this is basically your substitution variable name and substitution variable value. Go ahead and click close and load. And there you have it. This was a quick video to show you what you can do with Excel and REST APIs. And once again, thanks to Omar for finding this out. I haven't tried other REST APIs. The only thing is we have to have a JSON response to do this. Maybe there are other REST APIs that we could use. There are other REST APIs. I will create another video or write a blog. That's all I had for today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos on the Oracle ERP Cloud and EPM Cloud, consider subscribing to the channel. You all have a good weekend. I'll talk to you in the next one. Take care. Bye.